Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring one of the most important machines in woodworking, the wood lathe machine. Whether you're a beginner learning the basics or an experienced woodworker creating custom furniture and decorative pieces, a wood lathe is an essential tool that delivers precision, creativity, and professional results. A wood lathe works by rotating a piece of wood at high speed, while the operator uses specialized turning tools to carefully remove material. This spinning motion makes it possible to create perfectly round and symmetrical shapes that are difficult to produce with other woodworking machines. The process begins by selecting a suitable piece of wood. The wood is securely mounted between the headstock and tailstock or attached to a faceplate, depending on the project. Once everything is properly aligned, the desired speed is selected. Lower speeds are ideal for larger work pieces, while higher speeds are commonly used for smaller, more detailed turning projects. As the wood rotates, different chisels and gouges are used to shape the material. Skilled woodworkers gradually remove small amounts of wood to create smooth curves, clean edges, and detailed designs. Throughout the process, they frequently check the shape and dimensions to ensure perfect accuracy and a balanced finish. Modern wood lathes often include variable speed controls, powerful motors, stable cast iron beds, and easy-to-adjust tool rests. These features improve control, reduce vibration, and help produce consistent, high-quality results. Whether you're making table legs, chair legs, bowls, vases, candle holders, pens, or decorative wooden artwork, a quality wood lathe provides outstanding precision and flexibility. Safety should always come first. Always wear safety glasses or a face shield, keep your turning tools sharp, secure the wood firmly before starting the machine, and avoid loose clothing or jewelry near rotating parts. Working carefully not only protects you, but also improves the quality of your finished project. One of the greatest advantages of using a wood lathe is the freedom to transform an ordinary block of wood into a unique, handcrafted masterpiece. Every project helps improve your turning skills, creativity, and confidence, while producing beautiful, functional items that can be used, displayed, or even sold. If you enjoyed watching this wood lathe machine demonstration, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more woodworking machine reviews, tutorials, and professional workshop demonstrations.